Hi, this is Carrie from the Bay Area Short Sale Angels, Northern California's #1 short sale team. So a lot of people ask us, how do we deal with tenant-occupied properties? A lot of our clients have investment property that they need to short sell, or even it might have been their primary residence. They move tenants in order to try and continue to make those payments, and it just isn't working out. So in the state of California, and every state has different set of laws, but in the state of California, the tenant is required by law to comply and not get in the way of the sale of a house. It doesn't matter that it's a short sale, it doesn't matter that the house is underwater. They have to participate. So as far as that goes, all that's required is 24-hour notice in order to show the property. And so what we as a team do in order to make there more happiness between the tenant-landlord situation is we try and get the tenant to work with us and try and have the least amount of disruption to their life. Because usually when we tell a tenant that the house is going to be sold, they're imagining real estate agents, open houses, chaos in their home for months. And so the way that we take care of that is we promise them only 2 Sunday open houses from 2 to 4:30. So altogether it's 5 hours out of their life. We don't put a lockbox on the house, so there's not going to be agents just barging in while they're in the middle of dinner. And then in exchange, we usually recommend that our landlords give them a little break on rent during the selling process. That is not something that they have to do. It's not a legal obligation. It's just a courtesy. And then in addition to that, a lot of tenants get worried about their deposit. And if the property gets sold, what happens to their deposit? The deposit is transferred to the new owner, whether that owner is going to be another landlord of the tenant, or if it's going to be a homeowner that's going to want to move in. That deposit sticks with the property and will go back to the tenant minus any damages that need to be taken care of. So, tenant-occupied properties are a little bit more difficult to deal with, but definitely not impossible, and we try and make it as friendly as we can to keep everybody happy. This is Carrie from the Bay Area Short Sale Angels, where we believe there's nothing worse than doing nothing.